Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This baby right here is HP Envy Inspire 7224E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's an all-location family printing gear. It's multi-task, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print. This printer is very good with photo. This printer got good photo features. I'm going to turn this printer around and show you how to load the paper tray and also complete the alignment head. At the back here, the serial number and the pin number for this printer is right here. This is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included. This cable is USB cable. Unfortunately, it's not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here. Connect this end to the printer and this end to the back of your PC, and it will recognize your printer for you to print. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network, likewise, or USB cable connection. At the moment, this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. If you check my video, you see how we connected it to Wi-Fi network. Open up this section. Here is the scanner. Load particular document you want, ID card on top of the scanner. Select the function from LCD screen and it will do the job. I'm going to open up this end. This printer is using 303 ink cartridges. If you check my video, we loaded the 303 ink cartridges right here. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check. Remove paper jam and debris right here. This is where to check. I do get some questions about where to check for paper jam, serial number, and also pin number for this printer. When we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network, it asks for this pin number for this printer, which we put the pin number for it, allow you to work. Okay, now if you have it, so this is LCD screen, this is photo paper, photo tray. You load particular paper you want, photo paper and A4 paper. The bottom one is for A4, the top one is for 5x5, 4x6 photos, so photo paper. But what we want to load is A4 paper, is what we want to load right now. I'm going to get A4 paper. So once you get the paper, okay, just make sure you align them correctly. Okay, you just need to go in, okay, load the particular paper you want. This is A4 paper we have here, and adjust it with the holder. Okay, just make sure you adjust it with the holder, and once you're done, the next thing you need to do is just push it inside. Okay, if you have the photo paper, then you load the photo paper. At the moment, what we have here is A4. Okay, and just need to cover it. Okay, so right now, photo A4 paper is loaded, and also you show us here main tray, current paper setting, main tray is loaded. Click OK. Okay, now the photo tray is blocked. Please adjust the tray and try again. Okay, the photo tray is not, so I'm just going to leave it open because we didn't load any particular photo on it. Okay, and click OK. Now it's asking us align the print head. To get the best possible print quality from your printer, align the print head now. This process uses ink and a sheet of paper. So this is what we need to do. Okay, you can do this straight away. Some places, some printers will ask you for you to do this, but it appears that this printer will do it automatically once you follow the instruction, unless you want to skip it. But I will encourage you to do this. Make sure you align the print head so that this printer will work. So what we need to do is select continue. And once you select continue, right now is aligning the cartridges. Here we go, it's aligning the cartridges. So you just need to exercise patience for this. So what it's doing right now is completed the alignment. And once the alignment is complete, it will tell you that it's done. There we go. And also from the printer, it's telling us that alignment is successful. The cartridge is now calibrated for the best print quality, recycle or discard page printed. Here we go. So this is the page printed. You just need to discard it, click OK. Right now, once you've done all the setting, you will have the option. It will show you the features that this printer got. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera close for you to see. Once you've done everything correctly, it will show you. So here is the feature, and also it will tell you the date. This is copy, scan, and also shortcut. Okay, so right now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. You can see a steady blue light. You switch this printer on and off. This is how to load the paper tray and also complete the alignment head. Right now this printer is ready for us to do many jobs: copy, scan, and this is a shortcut. With shortcut you save time. With shortcut, create one touch shortcut, speed up your repetitive tasks like email, printing, and saving your scan result. Easily create and run the shortcut. So access shortcut, this example. Okay, so with that you can scan to email, scan and email to myself, save to Google Drive, print, email, and share. Okay, so you just need to select the shortcut you want to. Okay, and it's done. Now I'm going to go back. If you want to go back, just press this is a copy button. This is document. If you want to copy document, you select document. If you want to copy ID card, select ID card. If it's photo you want to copy, select photo. So it depends on particular one. Okay, and also if it's document, you select document, for instance. Then it gives you option for you to select double-sided or one-sided. So this is one-sided right now. If you want it double-sided, select double-sided. Okay, and also scroll up. If you want to keep copy black, then you select if it's black. If it's colored, you want select colored, go back. So you can do all this from these features right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my next video how to scan a document and also share this document and also print it out. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. I appreciate you. It helped the channel. Thank you and stay blessed.